What's up, you guys? Okay, wow, I got some mail. I'm back from Florida. I got some mail, and I'm really excited about mail. You guys know that. I have a ton of mail, as a matter of fact. But I got this box that says, do not open with sharp object. It's already open, but I opened it with my box knife. Let's open it up. I have not seen what's in here yet. I know what's in here, but let's just take a peek. I got a letter here. I'm gonna read you the letter. This is from my friend Jack Staude, a very loyal customer of mine, whom I appreciate very much. He says, Ryan, your company embodies what a small business should be. From your customer service to your drive to deliver top-notch quality items, your creativity never ceases to amaze me. And first and foremost, above all else, is family. Once again, thank you and enjoy this one-of-a-kind Anvil quilt for years to come. Hashtag Anvil for life. Signed Jack Staude, the Love Star Quilter. And he's got his little insignia of the anchor here in rope. This letter alone means so much to me to hear that from a customer, but man, oh man, oh man. Wow. Wow. Wow, what a quilt. Oh, geez. Before I pull this, we were just talking about this. I saw on the Crew page a picture of Jack's wallet that he had posted, and there was a sewing machine, so I asked Jack what that was about, and I didn't know that he made quilts and whatnot, and he had explained that he does, and I was asking him about, you know, various patterns and whatnot, that there might be an anvil pattern. I don't know anything about quilting, but I knew there was something about an anvil pattern, just because I'm kind of an anvil freak. Anyways, he ends up telling me more about that, and then shows me a couple of pictures of something he's working on for yours truly, and I was absolutely floored at the amount of work that goes into this. It really, really humbles me to see such craftsmanship and the detail. I'm just looking at the stitching. That is nothing more than a decorative scroll work that is beautiful, very well balanced, and that is just on top of the actual structure stitch to the quilt. I am absolutely in love already. And this is an anvil pattern. I'm gonna have to ask Jack more about the definition of the anvil pattern, but man, what a beautiful quilt full of skulls, roses, Gothic pinups, dark reds, dark grays, light grays, just everything. You guys know it's everything I love about this genre of artwork and era of just creativity. I just love this. Jack, I'm speechless. I am absolutely speechless. I get gifts from time to time from my customers over the years, and no offense to anybody, but this absolutely takes the cake. Look at this thing. Wow. Wow. My goodness. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Welcome back.
Good night, everybody. Wow. It's beautiful. This won't be staying at the shop, I can tell you that. This goes home. Wow. Jack, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow.